What up, what up, what up? You, the one who wants to fix its life. No, I'm serious, man. You're watching this video. I know why. Because you have big ambition and goals. I know for a fact because you clicked on this video, which I'm proud of you. Because think, how many people on earth actually thinks about trading making them money? Like trading, bro, what the fuck am I talking about? Literally. That literally made no sense, but for real, like if you think I know you have big ambition and goals because you took, I don't know what your level is in trading, but you're on the right path just because you're watching a trader yourself, which means I will motivate you and teach you, which gives you more opportunities, more odds to succeed in trading. Just, you are the sum of 5 people you hang around with, you watch videos. Bro, I'm fucking tired, bro. I don't know, did that make any sense? But bro, holy fuck. You get the point. You guys comment down below if you got the point, okay? Comment down below if you got the point, okay? Because I really want you to know. I really want you to know, man. I really want to know. Bro, what the I mean, this is me being real, like I don't give a fuck. But yeah, it's 12, it's about to be 1 p.m. I know it's kind of late, but you know what? Doesn't matter. It's Sunday, no trading for today. However, I'm gonna do the daily bias inside the community right there. And then, but I mean, now guys, I'm gonna literally edit this one video that I made yesterday, and we'll see what's gonna happen. Okay, I'm gonna edit that shit. I'm about to edit that shit, and and it's fucking raining today. It's fucking foggy, rainy. Perfect day to edit videos, chill out, chill inside. Lazy Sunday. Nah, no lazy Sundays, but. And also, if you're new in this channel, if you don't know who I am, I'm Adesher, what up? And I'm here to show you guys how to be profitable in these markets, because I know most of people cannot be profitable in these markets. But literally, guys, it wasn't always like this. I started day trading 3 years ago. Damn, it's raining outside. I started trading 3 years ago in middle school when I was 14. And like in my country, you're 14 in middle school. I know that sounds crazy probably for the people who live in United States, but literally I was 14, got introduced to trading by my friend, and it was fucking hard, man. It was fucking hard. I literally thought about quitting many times, and I also had a job, just literally fund my lab account. Also passed funded accounts, but nowadays, yeah guys, I was literally flipping burgers not even that long time ago. I was flipping burgers just to fund my lab account, because I already saw a lot of consistency. I was like, this is my thing, what I'm gonna do. So yes, I've been profitable for over one year now, and now I'm gonna literally teach you guys how to do that shit. I'm already seeing a lot of progress. People are getting breaded, sending me results, which I'm proud of you guys, proud of you. And yeah guys, what I was about to, yeah, now I still trade. I still trade every single day with my live account, but I'm also, we, not me, me, you behind the screen, everyone behind the screen, we are on a mission to change the trading industry. And I'm literally building the biggest community with the most profitable traders out there. Because I know me, you, we are fucking sick and tired of these fucking gurus who talk shit, who talks this nonsense, who just think about profits and scamming people. But I think it's time to make a change, man. It's time to make a change and literally make these fucking brokerages, prop firms bankrupt, because we're gonna be stealing their money like this. You guys know what I mean? Alright guys, now I'm gonna do the weekly bias real quick with the Discord. So we're gonna check where's the price heading for the beginning of the week, and also we're gonna check the economic calendar on forexfactory.com, and we'll go through on which days are we gonna trade live. Yeah, let's get it. Alright guys, I just finished up the live call with the Discord. We did the exact precise weekly bias, and I gotta say it's looking bullish for the beginning of the week. That's all I can say, man. That's all I can say. But if you want more details, join the Discord. Let's get it. Alright guys, I just almost finished up editing the video, and I also did the daily bias, the weekly bias completely. And now I made some food and I'm gonna probably head outside, okay? Let's see what's up. Hey man, it's kinda lazy day, to be honest. I'm just chilling with my dog. You know how it goes. You know how it goes, man. My slides. Literally, I didn't even want to put my shoes on because I'm pretty close to my house. You know how they say, lazy Sunday, right? Yo, what up? How's y'all doing? Let me know what y'all think about these kind of videos. I really want to know. I know this exact video wasn't the best kind of example of these kind of videos, because if you go back to my channel, I have recently posted like 4 of them, which were little bit more active. Today was just, literally guys, I want to show you guys the reality, the exact reality. And today was kind of, I was mostly inside the house. I was just editing videos. I did the daily bias, and I obviously answered some DMs, and also answered some questions, obviously. But bro, this was kind of chill day. You know, I took my dog out, etc. Ate food. Anyways, guys, let me know what y'all think, and join the free Discord from from the description. But let's get it, bro. Keeping it as real as possible, always. And obviously, as usual, I'll see you on the other side. Let's get it.